Hey everybody, Ford F250 2008, probably through 2010, 6.4 King Ranch. See, this guy's been acting up on me a little bit. I get down below a quarter of a tank, get somewhere close to an eighth of a tank. It'll cut off on me before you ever hit the 50 miles per hour or 50 miles left to go. And figured most likely there's something going on with the fuel tank, so took this guy out. It makes it easier if you take the bolts out, the little nut screws right here, 8mm, to get the hoses off, and disconnect the hoses right here at the fuel tank. And you got a couple of bolts that'll hold the skid plate on. Right here, there's 4 bolts that hold this guy on. And then you get the fun part of disconnecting the hoses from the top of the fuel tank. And that is a little bit difficult. It's hard to get up in there to it. Kind of show you what these look like. There is little push tabs on it. Let me slide under here. Little push tabs on each side. You see there, the little blue tabs. You've got a little tool that pushes the fuel line off, and then the smaller return line there, you just push on both sides of it, and you've got an electrical connection. On the back, there's a vent line that needs to be disconnected, and then also right here in the middle of the tank, a vent line. Okay, so what I found was the issue was on the sending unit. This guy right here, which is the screen that goes on the bottom of the sending unit, has broken off, which puts it just about right for it to be cutting off about an eighth of a tank too soon. So you see that again, this guy right there on the sending unit, this little strainer right here is broken off the bottom side. Replace that, and you'll be good to go as far as your fuel, using all your fuel in your fuel tank, and not ended up dead on the side of the road like I have. Anyway, thanks again, Jody Lumpkin, F250, 2008, 6.4 liter, going dead when you get about an eighth of the tank.